Hi everyone, welcome to today. For phys ed today, we are going to do some at-home, I call it recycling bin bowling. So we're going to work on our bowling skills, which is rolling. What you need for this is a ball. If you don't have a ball, you can use some socks, they work great. You also need some items from your recycling bin. If you have some bottles or old jugs. If you don't have those, you can use some plastic cups, work great. But you need 5 items. I have 5 pins set up, kind of in our bowling pattern, which is that diamond that you're creating, or triangle. And we're gonna work on some bowling skills. So take some time, go get your equipment, pause the video. When you're ready, come on back, and we'll go over the technique of rolling again, and we'll go over the scoring. All right, welcome back. So here is the game today. We are just working on, we're gonna play 5 rounds of 5-pin bowling. So 5 pins, 5 items, 5 rounds. Each round is 3 rolls. So I have attached a scoring card that I want you to keep track of your score. If you remember from class when we worked on bowling, we had the King Edward bowling alley set up in the gym. The scoring goes as follows. So if you look at my cones here, the blue cone is worth 5 points. So the blue cone is worth 5 points. The red and yellow cones, or pins, are worth 3 points each. So red and yellow are 3 points each. And the green and purple, those are worth 2 points. So green and purple are 2. So 5 plus the red and the yellow is 3 each. That's 6. So we're at 11 total. And the green and the purple are each worth 2. And that is 15. So if you knock down all the pins, that is 15 points for that round. You can't get more than that. So after each round, you're going to reset up the pins and try again. All right, let's go together. I'll do my 5 rounds and we'll see my score as an example. Okay, so I want you to start about, I'm just going to move my camera a little bit, about 5 big steps away. So if you have a hallway or a bigger room in your home, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'm starting here. Okay, I have a mark on the floor for myself. Before I start my bowling, I just want to go over our rolling technique for those of us that may have forgotten. So rolling, just like when we work on throwing, we're facing our target. You want to step with that opposite leg. So if the ball is in this hand, I tap that leg. That's the leg that's going forward. I bring my arm back in my preparatory phase. I step forward, I bend down, I'm going to release the ball as close to the floor as I can. Okay, here we go. I have my mark. This is round 1, throw 1. See how I do. Oh, I got the green cone, so that is 2 points over for this round. Remember, friends, when you roll, make sure you follow through towards you want to go. If I roll that way, ball's going there. If I roll there, look at my arm, pointing that way. If I roll this way, I gotcha. Okay, round 1, roll number 2. Oh, I hit the yellow one, so that is 3 points. The green is 5 total points so far. So my last roll, I got the purple one. That's another 2 points. So for round 1, I scored 7 points. So I would put down in the scorecard below 7. My score for round 1 is 7 points. And now I'm going to go back on to round 2. So I set up the cones again, or the pins. Try to remember where they were. And we're ready to go. Round 2. Oh, I got them all down that one. They call that a strike. That is 15 points. So round 2, I got 15. All right, so I'm on to round 3. If you get all the pins down in the first or second shot, You don't take your third shot in that round because there's nothing else to hit. Round 3. So I have 15 in round 2, 7 in round 1. My score so far is 22. Round 3. Oh, 2 points. Another 3 points. Last throw, round 3. Oh, I missed. So around 3, I got a total of 5 points. So I'm at 27 total after 3 rounds. 2 more rounds left. All right, setting up my cones again. And 2 rounds left in my bowling challenge for today. Here we go. Nothing, I missed. You may want to have a wall behind where you're rolling, because when I miss, the ball goes across the gym. Okay, here we go. Second roll, round 3. Oh, I got 1, 5. Okay, last roll. Oh, missed. Just 5 points in that round, so I'm at a total of 32 after 4 rounds. Let's see what my final score is. Here we go. Oh, I got 3. Down, so 5, 3, 2, so 10 points so far in this round. 2 more throws. Oh, I got them both down. So that is called a spare. So that's another 15 points of that round. So I had 32 plus 15 is a grand total of 47 after my 5 rounds of bowling. So my challenge to you is to complete this. Make sure you fill out the bowling scorecard. Let me know how you did by submitting that scorecard to me. If it's fun, you can challenge your siblings or somebody else that you live with, see if they can beat you. So you just take turns. You can have a bowling round. It doesn't matter if you don't have pins. Like I said, use cups, use old water bottles, or use reusable water bottles, something that's non-breakable that stacks up. It's kind of fun when they're all different sizes. Anyway, I hope you have fun with some bowling. Again, let me know how it goes. I'll see you all next time.